What the? Check this out. Somebody open this. Little buggers. Now all the peanuts and bird food are wet. Wait, there was also some dog food in there. Yeah, that's gone. Skunk can't do that. Maybe a raccoon. Well, I guess that was my own fault for leaving that there. I'm thinking the creatures couldn't figure it out. Oh, the squirrely was in here and knocked all the seeds out of here, and I put an orange in there for if some of the birds wanted a little drink. Should I leave that there? Maybe I'll put it in here. Oh, someone's here. Hi, Nuthatch. That's my little Nuthatch buddy. See what the garden's up to. Gonna make some strawberry rhubarb jam maybe tomorrow. I should have enough rhubarb again. Gotta get some strawberries. Oh, there's one of the robins taking a break from the kids. Oh, Phoebe Mama's over here. Mourning doves are in the forest. I think it's going to be a rainy day today.